Good day, my name is Gilayimi Bo, and thank you very much for stopping by. We are on to another export hack today, and today we'll be hacking another solid minerals, and this time around we'll be hacking zinc ore. Zinc ore is a metal, a non-ferrous metal I've also exported before to China. It's known as spelter, a metallic chemical element, and it has symbol Zn, of course, atomic number 30, and is the first element in group 12 of the periodic table. Zinc is, in some respect, chemically similar to magnesium because its ion is of similar size and its only common oxidation state is also +2. It occurs normally found in association with other base metal like copper, like lead. Most of the time then when we are buying lead, zinc and lead tends to occur together. Zinc is a chalophile, meaning the element has low affinity for oxide and prefer to bond with sulfide. So you have zinc sulfide. Sphalerite, which is a form of zinc sulfide, is the most heavily mined zinc or zinc containing ore because the concentration is about 60 to 62 content of zinc. It is found in Nigeria, Nasarawa Plateau, Benue, Ebonyi, Cross River, Enugu, and Bauchi. And specification, typically buyer want a zinc ore specification of 35-60%, arsenic less than 0.5, fluoride less than 0.1, cadmium less than 0.05, lead less than 6, mercury less than 0.01, moisture 5% max, and size 0 to 50 mm. Talking about the specification of zinc. It's used in metallurgical application, electrical and electronic application. It's also in health and nutrition, construction and infrastructure, automotive industry, and chemical industry. The main end use of zinc are galvanizing, 59%, are used in galvanizing for cars and construction, die casting, 16%, for motor housing, door, furniture, and toy, brass and bronze, 10%, rolled zinc, about 6.5%, and then chemical, 6%, miscellaneous, like battery, dust, 2.5%. Let's check out the potential market for zinc. The demand for zinc is about 12.3 billion, and as usual, the major buyer is China, followed by South Korea, followed by Japan, followed by Spain, Belgium, and Canada. So if you are looking at exporting this product, focus on Asia, Korea, South Korea, Japan, and China, and then Spain, Finland, Belgium, and of course, Canada. The packaging of this product. There is bulk packaging, transported in bulk due to the nature and volume, and it's important to use durable material, moisture-resistant packaging material to protect the zinc from environmental elements. Ensure they are well sealed to prevent moisture, dust, and contaminant from entering. It's also well labeled to ensure that the weight, net weight, and gross weight are clearly stated. It can be palletized. Also, it's important to state the weight limit. It's important to say the environmental consideration and tamper evident features, so that to ensure that the product is not stolen in transit. You can put about 25 to, I don't recommend 30 tons, 25 to 27 tons in a container. If you are not shipping in bulk, if you are shipping in bulk, you use the big 1 to 2 ton big sack, and remember to crush to sand like. Let's talk about the documentation. Documentation is always similar, like other one if you have been with us before. Commercial invoice, of course, and packing list, and bill of lading, certificate of origin, and in some cases, phytosanitary certificate. Buyer also require inspection certificate to ascertain the quality of zinc and, of course, the level of impurity and moisture in the product. And this will involve the issuance of certificate of analysis. Then, of course, you might require permit. In the case of Nigeria, for example, you require a permit. And the kind of permit you require in Nigeria is called mineral trading license. Mineral trading license. If you do not have a mineral trading license, you will not be allowed to export minerals from Nigeria. Lastly, let's look at the pitfalls. If you are trying to export this product, what kind of pitfalls should you avoid? Pitfalls. Impurities, just like usual. Presence of impurities like lead, iron, cadmium, sulfur. So effective beneficiation is important to show up the purity level. High moisture content leads to oil degradation, increased transition cost, and potential for oxidation. Implement proper drying procedure. Use moisture-resistant packaging to prevent moisture from entering in. Inconsistency in particle size. That is where crushing is important. To crush everything to sunlight to be able to ensure the size is homogeneous enough to prevent any issue at the destination market, particularly the likely difference between the quality at the loading port and the quality at destination. This is very, very, very common. As a matter of fact, let me state something that you should also address if you are exporting. Exporting mineral. You should know the specification of the product that the buyer wants. Ensure you know a way of checking roughly. If you can't check roughly, ensure that someone do the analysis before you pay. Sort the commodity and separate the debt and impurity to determine right quantity before payment. Pour out the content of randomly selected bag and draw sample. Do a preliminary quality inspection from the quality what you pour down in the bag. If quality cannot be determined visually, do a lab analysis. All this is to ensure that you do not buy rubbish and you buy right quality product. My name is Dela, but I'm your expert doctor and I'm signing out. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you want to get a full-blown 1 hour session talking about export of zinc, get the export act for zinc. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to join our community, know when we upload a new video, click on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.